Gen friends, today we have the newspaper of 10th May 2025 and start with the first news that India repeals Pakistani strike for second day. Blackout in several places of Jammu and Kashmir. Punjab, Rajasthan as sirens blare along the border. Pakistan selling killed 3 civilians in Jammu and Kashmir. Prime Minister Modi chair high-level security meeting. BSF killed at least 7 terrorists while foiling an infiltration attempt along LOC in Jammu. Next news is about the Hindu. Huddle begin with focus on national security challenges. UP CM unveiled two initiatives with support of World Bank. Rajasthan remains on edge strike night. Time blackout imposed in border district. Maharashtra to set up war room in each district. 52 Tamil Nadu students stranded in Jammu and Kashmir. State government opens help desk for safe return. Odisha government tighten security around key defense installations. Day after SC order, Adivasi body insists it will go ahead with the symbolic hunt. SC closed case after Ramdev say no more offensive remark. It is not a court's duty to tell media to delete or take down content, says Supreme Court. Nadda review preparedness of emergency response health system. 8,000 X account news portal block in India. Media bodies decry action. Malappuram in Kerala on high alert after Nifah case. India abstains from IMF vote to give more funds to Pakistan. Flags poor track record. Home Minister meet chiefs of BSF, CISF to assess preparedness. India's steadfast unit in itself is a challenge to Pakistan. Misri. Army chief empowered to bring in TA personals. Don't believe rumors. Have enough food stock. Joshi. Recently upgraded air defense guns of army shoot down Pakistani drone along border. Center issue. Notam closed 24 airport for civilian flight till May 15. Pakistani media twisting the fact and operations. Government. India a part of wider trend of eroding press freedom. Report. Webinar on chronic stress health to be held tomorrow. Single-use food, beverage packaging form 84% of Himalayan plastic waste. Park Journal speech should have lead to preemptive actions. MK Narayana. Educator highlighted India's historical relationship with liberal educations. Filmmaker creating red line for themselves is dangerous. Nandita. Not against delimitations, but state in South must get 33% reservations. Revanta. Disintegrations of the world order is significant as attack has come from within. Greater regularity. Genetic sequence of Nipah virus must be shared in public database quickly. It is a time to protect India's workers from heat. Millions of urban informal workers in India continue to bear the brunt of flawed heat action plan. Sprouting sustainable nutrition sensitive food system. When life fell through the crack of an unregulated elevator system. A Hyderabad vertical ambitions so do chilling tale of neglect hidden behind painted wall and police lobbies. From toddler to professionals, fatal lift accidents are lying bare gaping hole in regulation, oversight and everyday safety. In a city obsessed with speed and scale, safety has become an afterthought. Indo-UK TA quota for car to be based on engine capacity. Price. Bank ready with anti-DDoS to thwart cyber attack, FM told. Swiggy Q4 net loss nearly double to 1,080 crores. MRF Q4 consolidated net profit rise 29% to the 512 crores. TRAI suggests satellite internet free framework. SBI saving other lenders to sell 20% stake in Yes Bank to Japan SMBC for 13,483 crores. Putin hailed troops in Ukraine as G other leaders attend World War II parade. Church must fight lack of faith, say Pope Leo XIV. Sri Lanka helicopter crash killed 6 military personnel, 6 other hurt. Drone strike continued to hit Port Sudan for 6th day. Reducing student debt government's first priority, say an Australian Prime Minister. Israeli army says intercepted missile launched from Yemen. Trump float cutting China tariff to 80% ahead of meeting. France to use Russia's frozen assets for Ukraine defense. Macron Tusk sign France-Poland treaty with mutual defense clause amid conflict. By attacking targets inside Pakistan, India seeks to establish a new normal. Danish Prime Ministers condemned alleged US espionage on Greenland. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Jai Hind.